In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension step by step so you can unlock powerful prompt templates and improve your workflow inside ChatGPT. This is a simple process, but if you've never installed a Chrome extension before, I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before you begin, make sure you're connected to the internet so the browser can load the Chrome Web Store properly. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main options panel. From there, hover over Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you straight to the official store where you can safely search for browser add-ons. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type AIPRM for ChatGPT. Make sure you're looking for the correct extension name because there may be similar results or other tools listed nearby. Once you see AIPRM for ChatGPT in the search results, click on it to open the extension page. On the extension page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button on the right side of the screen. Click that button to begin the installation. Chrome will then show a pop-up window asking you to confirm the permissions the extension needs. This is a normal part of installing any browser extension. Click Add Extension to approve it and continue. After that, the extension will download and install automatically. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. Once the installation finishes, a new page should open automatically. On that page, you'll see a message or button that says, "Click here to access ChatGPT with all AIPRM features." Go ahead and click that link so the extension can connect properly. Next, Chrome may ask for permission, so click Allow when prompted. This step helps the extension work correctly with ChatGPT. After that, you'll be taken to the login page where you can sign in with your ChatGPT or OpenAI account. Enter your account details and complete the login process as usual. Once you're logged in, AIPRM should now be active inside ChatGPT, giving you access to its prompt library and extra features. At this point, you're all set. You can start exploring prompts, improving your output, and using the extension to save time in your daily work. And that's how you install the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension on your computer. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.